Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a stabilizer bushing with you. This is what everyone commonly calls the sway bushing. The one I have in hand is coded K00. The front version is suitable for the Haval H3. The 3H5 CUV, Fongjun 3567, rear version is suitable for the Haval CV, H3, and H5. This one is coded K38. It is exclusively designed for the H5 Classic version with the G63 engine. Both OEM and aftermarket sway bushings are installed between the chassis anti-roll bar and the vehicle body. It serves primarily two functions. One is to isolate the anti-roll bar. It acts as a buffer against vibrations between the anti-roll bar and the vehicle body. The other is to keep the anti-roll bar in a proper position. If the sway bushing is damaged, it can cause the anti-roll bar to move excessively, leading to overly large jumps of the wheels on both sides. This creates a serious safety hazard. Now that being said, some car owners might ask, how do you know? I only realized my sway bushing was damaged when... I'll explain three scenarios to you. The first is when you're driving over speed bumps and you hear clattering noises underneath the car. You should check it out. The second is during winter, when driving over uneven, bumpy roads. If you hear creaking sounds, that's another indicator to check. The third is when your car has traveled between 80,000 and 100,000 kilometers. It's also advisable to inspect it then. Safe travels, because safety comes first. Follow me and keep your car worry-free.